According to the TNS IRIS study conducted on behalf of ASTI, residents in the Grand Duchy like living in the country whether they are nationals or not. The study was conducted on 1,000 residents, half of them Luxembourgish and the other half foreign. The study shows that over 75% of the population is happy to live in the Grand Duchy, regardless of their nationality. When the figures are studied closely, they reveal that foreigners are even more satisfied with their host country at 78% than Luxembourgers at 69%.
On Wednesday, the Luxembourg Parliament will discuss opening civil service jobs to all European Union nationals in their last public meeting of the year. Currently, civil service jobs are only available to those of Luxembourgish nationality, but the situation could change if the Parliament votes in the law that will be discussed this afternoon. If the law is passed, the jobs that will not be available to foreigners must be clearly defined and linguistic issues must be re-evaluated to meet the needs of each job. According to EU law, certain jobs will still be reserved to Luxembourg nationals, such as jobs related to public authority, armed forces, police and other law enforcement jobs.
According to Robert Weber, president of the LCGB, there are 22,000 unemployed Luxembourg cross-border workers that have not been included in the official unemployment figures for the country. His figures are based on the number of E301 forms taken from ADEM. This document allows redundant cross-border workers to register as unemployed in their country of residence. For Nicola Schmidt, Labour Minister, this is very simplistic. Taking an E301 form does not state whether or not the cross-border workers have found another job. This is especially important as 80% of frontier workers have interim employment.